Plex eSIM could be the best choice for digital nomads and frequent travelers. In this video, we're going to break down its features, how to use it, and why it might be the perfect solution for your mobile data needs. Whether you're working remotely or just traveling for fun, staying connected is essential, and that's where eSIM technology comes in. With Plex eSIM, you have access to a wide range of data packages and networks around the world, which means you're not limited to a single provider or plan. You can switch plans seamlessly through their app, making it easy to manage your data usage and costs. Plus, there's no need for a physical SIM card, so you don't have to worry about losing it or dealing with multiple cards when crossing borders. One of the standout options is yesim, which offers unlimited data packages, perfect for those who use a lot of data or need constant connectivity. You can find the link to yesim with unlimited data packages here. It's a great alternative to Plex eSIM if you're looking for extensive data plans. So, whether you're navigating your way through a new city, working remotely from a beach, or just want to stay connected on the go, eSIM technology offers the flexibility and convenience you need. Setting up Plex eSIM is easy. Simply download the app, choose your plan, and follow the instructions to activate. It works with most modern smartphones and devices that support eSIM functionality. This means no more hunting for local SIM cards or dealing with complicated registration processes. With Plex eSIM, you can start using mobile data almost immediately upon arrival. The flexibility of switching between plans also allows you to adapt to different countries and data needs without the hassle. Don't forget, you can find more information and the best deals on yesim in the description. Check it out if you want unlimited data with easy setup. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share this video if you found it helpful.